One of the many advantages of PS IMAGO Pro is the ability to automate the entire process or just selected parts of it. Today, I will show how to prepare an automating procedure based on a previously prepared report. To start the automation work, from the PS desktop application, click Automation. This will launch PS IMAGO Process, an application that allows defining cyclic tasks. The list shows created tasks along with information on their status from the previous execution. We will now create a new task from scratch by clicking the New button. In the upper part of the window, we see all potential work scenarios when creating an automation process. The most common scenario is when the user has syntax as an analysis plan, and the result is a published report on the Microsoft SharePoint platform. In such a case, it is mandatory to specify the syntax, the report template, and the folder on SharePoint. Nothing stands in the way of using PS IMAGO Process as a scheduler for automatically triggering syntaxes. Then it is enough to set the appropriate sliders on the bar and indicate the file with the SPS extension. Another situation might be one where work is divided among different people. For example, the first person is responsible for generating a batch file for the report in PSID format based on the syntax file. Another person may then take the same PSID file and, based on it, publish the report on SharePoint resources or save it on the disk as HTML files. As you can easily notice, with the change of the work scenario, other batch files are required. We can easily save the report as a PDF file while publishing it on SharePoint. These are optional results of our work. Two files are attached to the tutorial: a report in SPV format and a previously prepared report template in PSIR format. Based on these two files, we will define a task. As the starting point of the process, I will indicate the SPV report with a slider, and the endpoint should be set to the Publish icon. Next, in the fields below, I need to specify the location of the necessary files, marked with an asterisk. I will start by indicating the file NPS Results, SPV, then Net Promoter Score, PSIR, and to define all necessary elements, I also need to specify the folder on SharePoint where the report will be published. In the newly opened window, enter the login details and the destination folder name. To confirm the settings, click Save. Before proceeding further, I will indicate that the result of the process should also be a report saved as a PDF file. Now I can move on. At the end, I need to specify when the process will be triggered. First, I name the task, entering NPS report. I will leave the task description field empty. The assumption is that NPS indicator data is collected monthly, so let's say the report will be created monthly, on the first Monday, starting from June 1st, 2024. Finally, we save the newly created process. The newly created process appears on the list of defined tasks, which can now be manually launched, edited, or simply deleted if found unnecessary. For the purpose of this presentation, I will manually start this task. Ultimately, I received feedback with the task status and can see that the report in PDF format appeared in the directory and the latest online version in the specified folder on the Microsoft SharePoint platform. Thanks to PS IMAGO Pro, professional and visually appealing analytical reports can be prepared and shared with recipients in a short time and with little effort. The tool allows designing professional analytical reports and distributing these reports within internal resources in the form of the Microsoft SharePoint platform. PS IMAGO Pro also offers the possibility of process-driven updating of analytical reports using data updated in source systems.